Okay.
Inshallah, alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much for calling. That's why my brother, thanks for answering that question for me. You know me, I don't know much about football.
Yes,
all I know is it's a goal. Yes. It's
hello. Not good at all.
It is not.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hey.
Evening.
What is your name? Where are you calling from?
The only of Manchester.
Oh, Vic.
Vicky.
You.
Oh, we are waiting for you tomorrow on the show.
Tomorrow Vic is coming around.
Yes, Vic is coming on the show tomorrow.
I didn't know that one. No.
So tomorrow 2 p.m. you are here, okay?
Vic, what kind of English are you trying to
Can we do what?
Please, one of the for me.
Can I?
Cut.
Cut what?
Cake.
For you tomorrow?
Because it is your birthday.
You come, you tomorrow come.
We have a big surprise for you, not just cake, okay?
Okay.
So you will come and look all good and come, okay?
Oh, my Vic.
Okay.
All right, so let's pick our next caller now.
But truly, you are looking good
because
no, if you speak Chi, I will take you to the queen.
So,
your braces and everything is looking good because and I like it. It is looking very materialistic and everything is on point. So
hello.
Yes, so
hello, brother.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Please, what is your name? Where are you calling from?
My name is Janet. I'm calling from Kaswa.
From where again?
Kaswa.
I'm calling from Kaswa.
Kaswa. Okay, what is the filler you would want to ask us over here?
I want to know whether Community has come to apologize to his fans.
For doing what again, my dear?
For spreading fake news that he has given birth.
He did not come and apologize, but he did a different post to say that is not his baby.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I love this one. Yeah.
Yes, so this one is very on point.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Tema. That is the Harbour City in Ghana.
Okay, thank you for introducing your time.
Right, Jerry.
Yes.
Do you know something?
Tell us.
Yeah, I wanted to marry your girlfriend, but I'm afraid of her fingernails.
Who is that
so
one?
What will you do?
My girlfriend.
Whose girlfriend?
I wanted to marry your girlfriend.
Who is that?
Who's my girlfriend?
Your girlfriend, Sister Sandy, be a guy.
I beg you, let me quickly
I wanted to marry her, but I'm afraid of her fingernails.
What has her fingernails
done? Show me my fingernails. Watch me on Facebook Live.
It's just normal.
I love her to marry her, but I'm afraid of her fingernails.
Then you don't know my girlfriend because my girlfriend doesn't have long fingernails.
But Jerry is my big brother. Me myself, I'm even married though. I'm taken away, so don't worry about marrying me, okay? I don't even have fingernails, so brother, you don't suffer every day. Now me your girlfriend, me your girlfriend,
and I'm still suffering.
Don't worry. I'm sorry about worrying you.
Hello.
But I will not stop worrying you.
Yes,
that is a promise.
Hello.
This one is truly standing
at Gold Coast. Why are you on the phone and you are not talking? Hello.
I will do hello. You are not here.
You are truly calling from Gold Coast. Are you standing beside Kwame Nkrumah?
Oh, please, no, my name is Kwame. I'm calling from Satsumo.
Okay.
I hear say I said, where you go talk to, what do you call it? I don't forget.
Really, you forget your own feel you want to ask us. Brother, we are really hearing things so. Your own feel you forget.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Okay.
Good evening.
Your name and where you are calling from?
My name is
Isaac?
Yeah, Isaac.
Okay, where are you calling from?
Retrieve from Maya.
Yimi. Okay, what is your feel you would want to ask to?
My series, I want to hear that Vicky, will come Adom from tomorrow.
Yes.
With the curiosity.
Yes, I like the way you mention my brother's name. Mention it again, please. Justice. That is a nice one. I like it.
Wiki.
Okay, so tomorrow you have to join Facebook Live, okay?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to see Vic. Everybody wants to see Vic. Join Facebook
Vic
Live.
Will come tomorrow, yeah?
Facebook
we hear that.
Okay.
Vicky is now a celebrity.
Yes. So let's pick
our last caller.
No, two days.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. This one drop.
Hello.
Drop us
Hello?
through.
Yes.
Jerry.
Good evening.
Yes, hello.
Your name and where you are calling from?
Yeah, my name is William Bosu.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a colonial boy.
Okay.
And what is going on in the station?
You are a colonial boy.
Yeah.
You are calling to ask us question or answering questions.
I'm asking what's going on in the station.
Nothing is going on.
We are sleeping. We are having a match over here. We are sleeping.
Okay. I wanted to know something.
What?
My sister's stomach is big. And what medicine can I get for her?
Let her do fasting for 40 days. She'll be fine. Okay. Let's pick our final caller. Hello.
Brother, you are very wicked.
Good evening.
Yeah,
You are very,
Kennedy.
very wicked.
What's the name?
Kennedy.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, I want to ask about Jackie.
Who is Jackie?
Who's Jackie?
Jackson. Jackson.
Forget
Jackson.
that one. Don't even ask. Tomorrow I'll bring you food. It is okay.
Okay, I trust your feeler.
Thank you. Thanks for trusting my feeler. My God,
So
is
thank
number
you
one.
all who called. Yeah?
Okay, so brother, I will leave you here.
Yeah.
Yesterday I lost my pizza cheats. So you people should give me another cheat.
Are you sure you?
Yeah, I lost it. It's not like I've eaten and I'm coming.
You
No,
want to
I have
come up
not
for
eaten.
another one
No.
again? Oh man! All right, so that was our sister Sandy be a guy with fella. But don't forget, August means Momo Month is back, and it's bigger than ever before. From now till the end of September, you can win up to 10,000 Ghana cedis just by paying with your Momo QR code or merchant ID when you shop. Yeah, very easy. Just shop. Pay with Momo. Please opt to pay for your goods and services with a QR code or merchant ID in your My MTN app and accumulate reward points. And you could be part of our 4,000 winners this Momo month. Yes, from now till the end of September 2020. You can check your points by dialing *120#. Such a sweet reward for shopping safe and using Momo.